me.
There we go.
Help me, God damn it, help me.
All right. Hey,
Shut up.
you're under arrest. Yeah, you are. So you're under arrest. You're going to jail. You either come out here and get in the handcuffs or we're going to come in and get you. You understand that? Hey, I'm very fucking serious about this. There's knives on your bed. You're under arrest. If you do anything but stay under that blanket and get placed in the cuffs, you're probably going to catch a taser. If you lunge for those knives, you're going to...
Things just got serious fast. Notice how the officers immediately shift their focus once they spot the knives nearby. At this point, this isn't just about an arrest anymore. It's about officer safety. Every second matters when weapons are within arm's reach. One wrong move, one bad decision, and this situation could spiral into something far more dangerous. The question now is simple. Will she cooperate? Or are things about to get much worse?
Those knives, you're going to catch some gunshots. You understand me? Do not move. You're under arrest. Is any of these doors open? One of you kind of be contact, one of you be handcuffs, and all be less lethal. Just go in through the garage, if you're cool with that.
The officer keeps an eye on the suspect while waiting for his backup to enter the home and restrain her.
Ellen, roll away from those knives and face, or you can grab them if you want. Cool. Thank you, sir. I'll take that. All right, get up, you're under arrest. Come on.
Oh, shit. Help me.
Come on.
Help me. Help me.
Stand around. Hey, you're under arrest. Put your hands behind your back. Come on. I'm going to come in there.
Oh my God, help me.
Put your hand behind your back.
Me.
Put your hand behind
Help
your back.
me. Somebody help me. Help me.
There we go.
Help me, God damn it, help me.
This is a classic turning point in Bodycam footage. The moment physical custody begins, emotions often explode. Listen to the panic, the shouting, and the desperate calls for help. Whether genuine fear or a reaction to being arrested, the tension inside this room is impossible to ignore. But from the officer's perspective, their priority remains the same. Secure the suspect first, sort everything else out afterward.
Help me.
All right.
Help me. Help me. I need a medic. I need a medic. Call the fucking fire department. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Oh, 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 God damn. Oh, oh,
Good.
oh, fuck. Oh,
Extra tightness.
help me.
Double locking right now. Double locked.
All right,
Good deal.
it's good. Stand on up. Do not kick me. Come on.
Let me go. Let me go and I will stand up.
Okay.
I need shoes, please. Please, can I have some shoes?
Sure, where are they?
They're over on the other side of the bed, please. These cuffs are way too tight.
We'll
Oh,
adjust
no.
them when we get
No.
out of the car.
Hey, we're not playing this crap. You know all the words to say. All of a sudden you're in pain. None of it. You're going to jail. I'll get you shoes because I'm a good guy, but we're done with all that crap. You're perfectly capable of understanding this clearly. Because as soon as that taser comes out and I explain to you, all of a sudden the world makes
I need a
sense.
medic.
You're not getting a medic.
I need a medic. Don't deny me health care.
Nope, you know the game.
There's a nurse out the jail.
Where are your shoes at? What are they?
Under the fucking bed or on this side.
Nope, they're not over here.
Black
Roll away.
flip-flops.
Start walking.
Black flip-flops. You got them?
No, they're not there. Where
The
you
bullshit.
said that?
They're under the bed. Listen to me.
That way now.
Copy 1 custody. 1029.
Before taking the suspect to the station, officers learn more about her history of violent behavior from her parents.
There's a couple knives out in there in the
Now we're
garage.
getting a much bigger picture of what's really been happening behind the scenes. What initially looked like a simple trespassing and threat complaint may actually be part of a much longer pattern of troubling behavior. Officers aren't just investigating today's incident. They're gathering context that could explain why this encounter escalated the way it did. Sometimes the most important details come after the arrest, not before.
Garage that she had, so they're up on a shelf just so you know that they're there. They just issued a warrant, I'm guessing, for the bond revocation that She'll be out the county jail. She'll obviously have to wait and see a judge to answer for, I'm assuming, the bond violations. But obviously she'll be taken care of out there. How long has she been like this?
Well, it's
The reason I ask is, obviously we've seen people change drastically sometimes from infections and medical problems. You know, I just want to rule that out.
well. Last November, she hit Mom with my brother's ash urn,
Okay.
and that's where the domestic.
That's where all
violence
this is
and-
coming
and
out of.
She threw water and.
Okay. But prior to that, I mean, has this been kind of a thing for her for a while as far as this? I mean, she obviously says stuff that makes no sense. She's kind of talking, you know, random stuff, which obviously usually is a psychiatric problem, or sometimes, like I said, you know, a UTI or an infection of some type. You know, it does weird things to the brain. So that's why I was asking about that stuff. But if it's been a track of mental health, either way, she's going to get checked out physically. And then hopefully the court orders her into some mental health stuff.
So too, because I think that's her problem.
Sure.
How long will she be held? I mean, do you know?
Deputies on scene.
I don't know. She's going to be held until she sees a judge on that bond revocation. So that will be was it a felony domestic or a misdemeanor? Misdemeanor. Partially, and I can't tell you. Partially because I just came back to the road after being off the road for 5 years. So maybe if you ask me in 6 months, I'd have a better idea. But I can try to dig and see if somebody knows when she'd see. I would follow the court docket or call Valerie.
Yeah,
Valerie will be able to keep you updated, especially since you're the victim in that case. She can tell you stuff. All right?
All right.
So you'll have a couple good nights of sleep, I would say. I told your mom I sent her the knives. Okay, cool.
As the officer returns to his partners, they express frustration after the suspect starts demanding medics, claiming her back is broken.
What's that?
We should have just transported her ourselves.
Oh, okay.
Proceed.
Well, I didn't hear what it was.
She's saying her back's broken, needs a medic.
Here's where experience starts talking. The officers are comparing what they're seeing now with the suspect's behavior moments earlier. That's important because law enforcement often evaluates whether medical complaints appear consistent with observed actions. Of course, every complaint must be taken seriously, but officers are clearly skeptical about the timing. The debate now becomes whether this is a legitimate emergency or an attempt to delay the inevitable trip to jail.
Listen, you know me, but I've been on the road for 5 years. I would not entertain that. I would. The way she's jumping up, running around.
And that's what I told him. I said it's bullshit.
Yeah.
He goes, well,
Ugh. She was fairly just
Yeah.
dead weight.
yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, she's definitely stronger than both of you two.
She's gonna call me back.
Who's your boss today?
Brian. We have Brian and Hicks on today.
Yeah, if they need additional substance, she's out running around, running back and forth in the bed. As soon as I make it abundantly clear she's under arrest, and if she moves towards items on the bed, she's going to catch a taser. Then she gets under the blanket and starts talking to herself.
Okay.
And immediately upon putting hands on her, ow, I'm in pain, I need a medic. So,
I'm not surprised.
sure, yeah. Me, personally, I'm comfortable telling her no, because it's, again, I will lend credence to legitimate, this bothering the people at the hospital with this nonsense rubs me wrong. But let's not get in trouble, I guess. Oh, is this a medic coming for us?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I called him. Just to cover our butts.
Yeah, no, you're good, man. Funny how that tune changed.
And just like that, we see the balancing act officers face every day. Even though they're doubtful about the medical claims, they still decide to bring in medics to cover all bases. That's a crucial part of modern policing. Document everything, verify everything, and make sure no legitimate medical issue is overlooked. Whether the complaint is real or not, the safest move is often to let medical professionals make that determination.
Yeah, she As soon as I started talking to her, she was like, "So you're gonna get a couple nice, good nights of sleep." They wanted to know when she would see the judge, and I didn't know enough about what the warrant was. I assumed it was a revocation of
See
me.
the judge tomorrow. Yeah, she's the revocation of bond.
I told her just call Valerie.
So most
Valerie,
likely she'll stay in until
since she's the
Friday.
victim,
Right.
Valerie, I'll be able to get her. Just for our record keeping, I confirmed it on the docket that it's the revocation for that, and that there's a warrant issued in the docket as well.
Can I talk to you for a minute without you interrupting me, please? Okay. So, no matter what, you are going to jail. All right.
This final conversation is the reality check. The officer is laying out the options clearly. Hospital first, jail later, or jail now and court tomorrow. Either way, the arrest isn't going away. It's a reminder that once a warrant is involved, arguing on the roadside rarely changes the outcome. At this stage, the decisions that matter most will be made in court, not in the back of a patrol car.
You can go down to Grady and you can go get medically cleared, and then you can go to jail, which might be maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. I don't know, but you'll be arrested the entire time. Okay, you'll be in handcuffs the entire time. Okay. Yes, in the hospital. Oh, it's very legal, trust me, because you have a warrant. Okay? Now, if you choose not to go that route, you can go to jail today, probably just get judged tomorrow morning and get out tomorrow morning and be back in your bed by yourself.
Well,
It's
we learned.
ultimately up to the judge, but it is a fairly low-level warrant, so I can almost guarantee you will